Hello unique people, this is Unique Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where we get to share unique ideas and techniques. So today I'm doing a business tour. A business house tour, a business tour or something. I'm specifically doing this for those who are thinking of what they can start, a business they can start, and also they're looking for a business house where they can as well live. So these two are specifically for you. I'm in the shop where I'll be doing the tour. It's a clothing shop. So stay tuned. And if you are in Mwehoko, in the hood of the Prince of Mwehoko, the one and only Desagu, you can check out this shop. You can check out this shop, and probably you can refer somebody. It's a very spacious room, very spacious one, and you're able to do your shop in it. You're able to do your living place in it. It's well done. It's basically what we refer to a bed sitter kinda. That is the setup this guy did on this house. It's a bed sitter. It has a sink. It has a bathroom, a well done bathroom, a modern bathroom. So basically you have a lot to do in it. So stay tuned for this video to check out the build, the shop, how the setup is done, and basically the space, the entire space, and what you can do with it. I'll be explaining what you can do with the space in it. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you. Here I'm standing at the door, the main entrance of the shop. So let's get in. The shop is just so spacious. The shop is just so spacious. So this one is a side view. Look at that. So you can maximize as much as you can with the shop. If you're looking for a good space to do business in, this one comes ideal. And there's some more spaces here, so you can still get a shop such. See, she maximized on the space above. That's where she has put the sweaters, the shorter sweaters. Then on this other side, she ensured that one is slightly higher for the longer sweaters, and at the far end you saw the extremely longer sweaters. They are also up. So when someone gets into the shop, you stand on the door, you are able to see everything. There are short sweaters at this side, there are long sweaters there, there are dresses size 12 in the middle, others at the back, there's size 14 there, and then the other size 12 there, and then at the back the other sizes. So it's a totally good view, and the ability to attract the customer is equally easy. So there's so much you can do with such a big shop. Actually, I've seen people who have business from the front side, then they can use the back side as their bedroom and all that, which you can. Because like now, looking at this shop, depending on what you want to sell, you can maximize on these first box. You see this box, the entire of this box that has blue, you can maximize on it, depending on the business you want to do. So that means your shop ends at this point. Look at that. That is the space I'm talking about. Actually, the space that is carrying all the short sweaters, and all the clothes in red at the far end, those ones it's in blue, and then this one. So you maximize that to be the shop. Then from here where it's the white hangers start, you see that? That space there up to this point, that becomes your bedroom. You see, it can fit the bed. It can clearly fit the bed. Actually, the size of this box that holds the white hangers is slightly bigger than a bed. So basically, if you push it to this end here, it will fit, and you can have even one of your couch at the other side, and that will be your bedroom. Here there is a sink, which is still within your bedroom, and then there's a bathroom here. Okay, the mirror is not part of the deal. The mirror is for the owner of the shop. So, and it's a good bathroom, and it has a hot water switch there, And let me switch on the lights. That's how the bathroom looks like. It's very cute and well done. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Focus, man. Focus, yes. This is how the bathroom looks like. And it has, you only need to connect a hot shower there. So maybe maybe you want to see how spacious it is. It is really spacious there. There. That is how it looks. And actually there's a demarcation between the toilet and the, yeah, there. That's how it looks like. So basically that can become the bathroom. Actually that is a bathroom. Then there is a kitchen. Now you see where these small boxes are, this one here, which has green hangers, that becomes your kitchen. Yeah. And you can see there's a sink at the far end where you do your dishes. You can put your jiko here, your cooking meko here, and then the other side you can arrange something there, down there. And there's a door, there's a back door there. Outside there you can put your other stuff. This is so special. In other words, it's a shop come a place you can stay. So I want to stand at the far end. So here I'm standing at the kitchen, just next to the sink. Look at that space. So you see this first box is where I'm talking of. This is a kitchen area. Make it to be the kitchen area. Then this middle one with the white hangers, make it the bedroom. Then the blue one at the far end, the one you can't clearly see because I'm at the end, becomes the shop. So you can basically use these for your own house. If you're single and looking for a space, business space, you can use this one to be your business space plus your place of living. And let me tell you, the most surprising thing is the rent. The rent for this place is just Kenya shillings 7,000. Just 7,000. Look at this space. Look at this space. What you can do, as in even in your bedroom area, you're able to do shelves. You see what she has done with those shelves up there, and still have your bed under it, so you can keep your clothes up there. Look at that. Which those shelves, you extend them to your you can extend them up to the shop. You can still have some displays there if you're not just doing clothes, whatever you're doing. So I'm just telling you, there's so much you can do with this space. There, and the other side up there, you can see that shelf. Also you can put something. So if you're looking for a business space in Mwihoko, consider this. Just Kenya shilling 7,000, and I've given you an example of what this one has done with this room. Just that she doesn't live here, she's a family person, so have kids. But if you're a single person looking for business area, this is it. Let me just do one view from the door. There. That's what you do with the upper side, the side view. Then here, there become the shop. The second one becomes the bedroom area. Then the last one becomes the kitchen. And this up space, maximize all the space that you have there. And this is the outside. Those are the displays that I'd shown you in the beginning. And there's a tarmac coming up on that road, so basically you'll be dust free. So that is it. Thank you for this tour, watching this tour, and remember to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you, and God bless you.